Speaking project script, my favorite music and why I love it. Good evening. My name is Claudia Segura, and I'm going to talk about one of my favorite singers. I really love music and I listen a lot of kind of music. In my playlist you can find rancheras near to rock and pop near to opera. But today I want to talk about one of my favorite singers of all time and she's Adele. I really like her songs, especially when we were young. I really love this song. It talks about how the time passes by and how the love grows, but is not the same as we used to be. I really like how every song she writes is a piece of her heart. These songs are from the album 25, and this album talks about the part of her life, about what she feels after a breakup. I think music topics lost the way that people used to. Today, music feels a little bit empty, but when you hear this woman and what she says, it's like remembering how music is magic. Okay, that's all. Thank you very much and have a good night.